dass die beiden ersten Reihen gerne auch gemischt, dass man auch ein paar Damen vorne hat. Und dann danach, dahinter kommt dann das Team und dann die ganzen Spieler. Genau. Verteilt.
Also was ich jetzt machen kann, ist, ich kann diese Plätze gleich frei halten, wenn es soweit ist. Ne?
Leg dich mal so auf. Du legst dich fort, wenn ich dich auf. Das ist
von allem, was passiert. Die ganze, ja genau, du filmst quasi uns, ein bisschen dann da, die Leute, wie sie zusammenkommen und das ist für den World Chess Day.
Like 1.9 or something.
No, 1.9.
Okay, today is something really special. Tomorrow is the World Chess Day, and tonight is the Football World Championship. And what we are doing here in Wien, we do a great group photo for the World Chess Day. And after the group photo, we will do a hula wave together, all the chess players. Everybody in the room, please take a seat on one of the seats that we can make a group photo together. Like everybody takes a seat. It's okay, like we spread each other. Okay, everyone coming in, we're doing a group photo, so please take a seat on the blue chairs.
Mark has a... Sorry.
Okay. Also it would be really great if you can take a seat on the blue chairs and we make a group photo together. Bitte alle auf den blauen Sitze sitzen. Wir machen ein schönes Gruppenfoto für den World Chess Day morgen und ein Laola-Schachvideo zur Weltmeisterschaft, Fußball-Weltmeisterschaft. Bitte alle ins Zentrum gehen und einen Platz finden auf den blauen Stühlen. Yeah, there are some more people storming in. Please take a seat, einfach hinsetzen. Wir machen ein richtig schönes Gruppenfoto von allen, was in Kiel als Erinnerung. Okay, now the room is getting fuller, and now we can make memories for the World Chess Day tomorrow and in Biel together. We wait 30 seconds more and then we start with the group photo. It was really great, like all the team gathered here in the room. Amazing. You guys coming in, please stand together with the group. We will make memories and make a nice group photo together. Okay, the room is full of chess players, full of chess lovers. We start with the group photo. Please take a look to the camera lens together and watch to the camera. This is our first photo. Pasha is making the photo and is capturing all of us. Then we make another picture. Please, all of you, thumbs in the air. Okay, back here, more thumbs up. Amazing, so we have more thumbs. Pasha will make a photo again. Please take a look into the camera that everybody has open eyes and we can see everyone in the photo. Okay, amazing. So many people here. And now there comes the last part, the special part. Peter Bodenblust, please stand up. The president of the Biel Chess Festival. He will initiate a Laola wave. And now all our cameras have to be ready to capture this moment. Peter, the stage is yours. We will do a chess Laola wave for the World Chess Day together right now. Just amazing. Thank you so much.